Day 7 for the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar 2023 brings us a command post. Forward command centres were small command centres used by the Republic military. Constructed in a circular design, they featured several computers and computer screens, and loads of antennae and a radar dish. This allowed the operator to give orders to other locations, including the clone crews commanding artillery such as the self-propelled heavy artillery turbo lasers. The centres could be staffed by a commanding officer, who may be a clone commander or even a Jedi General. High-ranking clones and officials were not always at command of the stations, however. During the Battle of Christophsis and the Second Battle of Geonosis, the forward command centres were staffed only by regular clone troopers. From a forward command centre, a clone commander and their Jedi officer could command forces of the Galactic Republic against their enemies, or it could just be used as a command centre for a Galactic Senate relief mission. The command centres were built with a small ramp either side. This could be raised to enable easy embarkation or disembarkation to a Republic gunship. The ramp could also be lowered to the ground to allow any clone troopers to proceed to the battlefield.